woke up, it was 7. I waited till 11 to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends.
Hey, Bobby. Wow, you're 13. It's a pretty big monument. You've gone through many changes, from Connor to Bobby Connor to Bobby and then Bob. This has been a part of you growing into your own person with your own ideas, humor, and way of seeing the world around you. As you grow older, there will be bigger choices, challenges, and mistakes along the way. That's all part of growing up. Just remember that you're not alone. You have us and many other friends and family here to guide you, support you, and cheer you on. Never forget how deeply you are loved. Love, Mom and Dad.
Love you, buddy.
Here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid. I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause
Hi, Bobby. Happy birthday. We love you. We're proud of you.
Hi, Bobby. Happy birthday. We love you. We're proud of you.
Hello, my darling grandson. I'm so happy that you made it to your 13th birthday. That's a big milestone. I love having you around. I love watching you grow into the man you're going to be. And I love that you help me out when I ask, even when you don't want to. I love you anyway. I love you to the moon and back, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I'll see you soon.
Hey, Bobby, your special day is coming up. Got a little song for you. Happy birthday. Happy Happy birthday, Bobby. You are missed on the good. Have a great day.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Gamer versus gamer.